What's up YouTube? My Blacktopgraphix designs, decals, whatever you want to call them, came in the mail today. So I'm about to go and put them on my 2018 Dodge Charger. I'm going to try and make an install video if I can get the camera propped up and everything. But at the end of this video, I'll show you guys how it looks. And I'm pretty sure this is going to look pretty amazing. Got the 345 HEMI in the engine, and RT for the gas tank cover, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, 345 HEMI for the side fenders, but that's the type of engine, and the RT logo badge, whatever you want to call it, for the gas tank cover. So stay tuned. Alright, so I found a pretty dope install spot with a nice background, so I'm just going to install what I need to install right here. But first I'm going to start out with the gas cap, and then I'm going to move on to the fenders. And let it dry up a little bit before I actually pull off the actual protecting cover. It's gonna look like really nice when I take this off. Now that this is fully dry, I'm about to go onto the fender. I'm about to spray it down with the application fluid and clean it and everything, and then apply the decal and then let it dry and pull off the protecting paper. Worried about just because of this part right here, and I don't know if I want to try and reseat that or just let it dry. I'm probably going to try and reseat it. A little bit of air bubbles like at the top. We can't really see it like from far away, but from far away it looks amazing. It's just that right up close spot, and that's because it wasn't acting right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Hopefully it comes out a lot better. But so far, it's looking pretty dope. A lot better than the other side, meaning it was a little easier to put it on. I still have to fix one air bubble, so hopefully it's still wet enough for me to get that air bubble out. But other side, I was able to fix the air bubbles at the top of this, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but I was able to fix it. So overall, it was pretty simple to install, just a lot of squeegeeing. And because of the angles of the actual stripes, that's what actually made it harder to install. So I'm about to try and fix that air bubble, but that's pretty much it for this mod video. Install of the 345 HEMI decals and the RT gas cap decal on the 2018 Dodge Charger RT. It was pretty moderate to install. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I taught you how to do this yourself if you don't want to pay anyone to do it. Just make sure you're extra patient when you're installing these decals, and it should come out great. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Remember to comment, like, rate, subscribe, and share with your friends, and hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a great day, YouTube.